Hey guys, so it's been a couple of days since I've been to IKEA and I've just been packing stuff up in our caravan as we don't have enough space in our house to store everything. There's not really much else I've bought apart from the last bits and bobs like can openers, pillows, things like that. I'll give you a quick tour just now and I'll show you how I've packed it. So far this is how we have things. So this is my duvet, pillows, big bag that we have just miscellaneous stuff in at the minute, cardboard boxes which I'm going to probably reorganise at some point. That's bedroom, and 2 kitchen as we have the pots and pans in those which take up quite a lot of space. They're kind of self-explanatory, but in here we have ice skates. Got given those for my birthday one year. That has Tupperware in it and stuff that I was going to use for my packed lunches. Blanket to go over the bottom of my bed, more Tupperware which can be used for taking snacks around. Fob watch, especially good if you're a student nurse or other healthcare student. Can opener, couple of hair clips, folders with dividers in them. I got large 2-ring lever arch folders. Well, I got 3 of them, but they're 2-ringed. Fairy lights. There's not much else really in there. So yeah, that's most of it for now. There's still a few bits and bobs I need to pull together and possibly a couple of things that I need to still buy or scrounge from the house. Obviously there's still things like clothes and that I need to pack. Got a bit of time yet, but we're getting there.